Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary, the farm girl. Today I want us to continue with the conversation about how you can migrate to Canada as a temporary foreign agricultural worker. And there are four main streams that you can use to migrate to Canada as a temporary foreign agricultural worker. One is the seasonal agricultural worker program, which is for people from Caribbean countries, and the other one is the agricultural stream, which is what I have just uploaded a while ago. If you have not seen that video, kindly go and check it out because I have posted job opportunities that you can use through that agricultural stream, and it is with a free visa ticket. So the other one is the stream for high wage position, and the other one is the stream for low wage positions. So in this video, I want us to look at the agricultural stream. So what are the requirements, or how can you identify a job that is related to the agricultural stream, whereby you're going to get a free air ticket, free accommodation, and free health insurance from the employer that is going to hire you. So for the agricultural stream, the temporary foreign worker can be from any country. You can come from Nigeria, you can come from India, Kenya, Uganda, Philippines, anywhere from the world, and the production must be included in the national commodities list. So what is this national commodities list? So these are companies operating in these types of works or farm activities. Number one, if this company is operating in apiary products, these are bees related products. So if they maybe have honey production, they are maybe producing bees for sale or something of the sort. If they are in the apiary production, this is one commodity list that is through the agricultural stream. The other one is fruits, vegetables. This is including canning, processing of these products if grown on the farm. Mushrooms, flowers, nursery grown trees including Christmas trees, greenhouse nurseries, pedigreed canola seeds, seed corn, grains, oil seeds, maple syrup, SOD, sod, tobacco, bovine, dairy, duck, horse, means poultry, sheep, and swine. So these are the national commodity list under the agricultural stream. So which are the NOC codes? Or how do you identify the NOC codes from the job bank? Which NOC code do you go out looking for? The NOC codes are under the primary agriculture, which is defined with duties that must be performed within the boundaries of a farm, nursery, or greenhouse. It should be involving at least one activity, such as operating agricultural machineries. So this includes tractors, harvesters, or any other machinery that you're going to be required to operate agricultural activities. The other activity or duty is to board, care, breed, sanitize, or handle animals other than fish for the purpose of obtaining raw materials for market. The other duty is to collect, handle, and assess those raw materials or planting, to care, harvest, and prepare crops, trees, SOD, and other plants for market. So generally, those are the duties that you should be doing under the primary agriculture. Any job under the job bank that is asking you to perform these duties, just know that they are under primary agriculture, and the employer is required to pay for your visa and air ticket so that you can migrate to Canada and work for them. And they should not get this money back because the government provides that they should not cut it from your salary. So the NOC codes for these classifications include NOC code 0821, NOC code 022, NOC code 8252, NOC code 8255, 8431, 8432, and 8611. So these are the NOC code that you will be checking in the government job bank so that you can know whether you're going to be having a free air ticket or not. Let me show you an example of an NOC code under this stream. So this is a job that I had talked about in my previous video. It was posted on June 6th this month, and it is just 5 vacancies. So if you want to work as a farm supervisor and you get $20 per hour, this is a job for you. So this is NOC code 8252. And as we have seen from the Job Bank website, this NOC is qualified for under the primary agriculture. So when you're writing your application, be confident, show your experience, show your skills, because you're going to qualify for a free ticket if the employer is going to give you a job offer under this stream. Although you are supposed to get payment of the visa from the employer, one of the things that you should take care of is the work permit. So who can apply for a work permit, especially if you are outside Canada? There are specific requirements you need to meet depending on where you are and when you apply for your work permit. So for the work permit, you're going to provide or to prove to an officer that you will leave Canada when your work permit expires, and you're going to show that you have enough money to take care of you and your family members during your stay in Canada. You should obey the law and have no record of criminal activity. So the Canadian government may ask you to give a police clearance certificate to show that you have no criminal record. The other thing is that you should not be a danger to Canada's security. You should be in good health and have medical exam, and you should not plan to work for an employer listed with the status of ineligible on the list of employers who failed to comply with the conditions. So you should not plan to work for an employer on a regular basis, offer erotic dance, escorting services, or erotic messages, and you should give the officer any documents they ask for to prove you can enter the country. So eligibility requirements if you apply from outside Canada. Number one, you can apply before they enter Canada. However, there may be visa office requirements that you need to meet depending on what country or territory you're going to be applying for. And you should make sure that you follow all the instructions of how to apply. So you can also apply for a work permit when you are inside Canada as a temporary foreign worker. This is, for example, you visited Canada, so you can apply for a work permit during your stay there. And you also can apply immediately you enter Canada. You can apply at the port of entry. So these are ways that you can apply for work permit. So a work permit is going to cost you some money. You can determine the amount of money that you need to pay for your work permits by coming to this page on the fees list. So when you come to this page, you come and you click on work permits, including extensions. Then they are going to show you the fees. So for work permit per person, it is 155 Canadian dollars. So generally, the fees needed for you to work in Canada or for the work permit is the $155. So in case you're going to be applying for a temporary work as a temporary foreign worker through the agricultural stream, you're going to get a free air ticket. So the transport is going to be taken care of by the employer. They're also going to give you accommodation and health insurances. However, you're going to be applying for the work permit, so this is a cost for you. And because for you to go to Canada, you need to prove that you have enough money to sustain you, especially for the period that you're not going to be paid. You know, that 1 month that you're going to be working without payment, you need this money. So you need $155, and the amount of revenue that the consulate service providers at the borders or at the immigration offices are going to ask you for. So you can also find the immigration websites or the websites that are applicable in your country in the Canadian government main website, which is going to provide you with the people that are going to guide you on the same. So the fees are just $155 and exclusive of the amount of revenue that you need to prove that you're going to be using before you get paid. And remember, you also need to show that you have enough money to also leave Canada. After you have been paid, you need to show that you have enough money to leave Canada, and you're also willing to leave Canada when your work permit expires after 6 months mostly. However, for the employers or if you're going to work under the agricultural stream, LMIA application may have up to 2 years. So as of April this year, 2022, the Canadian government increased the years from 6 months to 2 years. And also for those people that are going to work under the high wage position, the employer can ask for the employee or the temporary worker, in this case you, to work for up to 3 years. So these are just ways that you can use to go and get a permanent residence in Canada if you wish to stay there permanently. So that's just about it, and I hope I have provided you with enough information on how you can get to know which jobs are applicable under the agricultural streams. We have looked at ways that you can move to Canada under the temporary foreign workers program through agricultural work, or agricultural farm jobs. We have seen there are four main streams that you can use, and under the agricultural stream, the employer is supposed to pay for your air ticket, and apart from that, they are supposed to be able to provide you with housing and insurance covers. The other thing is that the jobs should be under the primary agriculture, and these jobs under primary agriculture have their NOC codes, and the NOC codes are 0821, 0822, 8252, 8255, 8431, 8431, and 8611. So these are the primary agriculture jobs that you can apply for and get a free visa to move to Canada. However, you need to pay for your work permit, which is 155 Canadian dollars. So that's all that you need to know for you to migrate to Canada as a temporary foreign worker. So the main thing that you require now is to get a job offer, and a job offer you get after you send your application through a cover letter and a resume. So the fees are not applicable in this case, so you not require a lot of money for you to do this. So that's all that I had for you today, and I hope that you have learned. I hope that you have acquired knowledge on how you can move to Canada. So your job now is to go to the Job Bank website, get those jobs, learn how you can do them, learn how which one you are capable of doing, and then drop your applications if you're already in Canada. And if you're not, you can send them through their emails provided in the Job Bank website. So until next time, see you, and remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.